this week's video, I'm going to show you how I achieved this curly wig. It's very simple, and I'm going to be using a wig cap, Passion Water Wave by II X-pressions, so this wig cap has an opening at the front. This hair is so long, I'm going to cut it into half and then I'll start to crochet. Now, because of the way this cap is, it has tiny holes and it has lace on it. I'm using a small crochet needle to make sure that I do not make holes in that net. And I'm leaving a space of about 1 finger between each hair, just so I can have a clear and a neat line and a neat wig at the end of my work. I'm extra careful when I get to the front with the lace. I'm using a very small amount of hair to make sure I do not tear that lace. And this is synthetic hair, but on our website zillions.com we sell human hair wigs and human hair extensions. Check them out. We have sales going on at this time. Check out zillions.com and you will enjoy all these sales. Now, the front of this wig cap is open and I have 2 options with it. I could either leave it like that and I leave out a little bit of my hair when I'm putting on this wig, or I can cover up that gap with a lace. So I'm going to opt to sew a lace in that gap, and I'll crochet the whole part. So that's the lace I'm going to be using today. I'm going to sew it in that gap. I'll use T-pins to help me while I sew, to hold the lace while I sew. And I'm going to sew all the way up to the end. So I'm going to sew all the way up to the other side, and then I will cut the excess lace and then the thread. So I'm going to crochet on top of that lace, and I'm using those T-pins to kind of give me an idea of where the middle part would be on this lace. So I'll crochet keeping that in mind, because when I want to style this wig in a middle part, then I will have already pre-created some kind of middle part when I was crocheting. So at this point, I want to thank all the people who have supported us, who have watched our videos, who have shared them. Thank you very much for the support. And if you're new here, welcome to our channel. Please consider subscribing to this channel. We do a lot of hair videos. We give out information about hair, how to take care of your hair, and how to make different styles with your hair or with wigs. So this is the end product. I'm going to cut off any excess hair and shape the wig such that it remains neat. And then I'm going to spray Soft and Shine to give the wig to give the wig a little bit of shine. So I'm going to try it on to see our end product. I have that band which I'll be using to tie at the back. I'm loving the product. I'll use bobby pins for added security, since I do not have combs on this wig cap. So that's how the lace looks, and that's how I would go about making a middle part if I'm to wear the wig that way. Or I'll get some hair to the front and create some bangs. That's such a beautiful style. So my friends, that's the end of this week's video. That's how the wig came out. That's the side, and that's the back. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something. If you did, please consider subscribing to the channel and sharing the video too. And until next week, cheers.